Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb. I'm in the Sierra EV, of course, the Denali Edition 1 loaded. So you have the rear view, well, the digital rear view camera mirror. I'm going to be showing you how to operate it. So let's hop right in. We're going to locate our rear view mirror. You're going to have your normal, rear view mirror. And then we're going to use this tab here, flip it up into the digital rear view mirror. Now, how to operate it. We have 3 buttons over here. Make it easier to see. There we go. You're going to click this one to filter through the options. So now as we filter through, you can change the level of it. You can brightness it back up. And then we're going to click check mark. You can magnify it out. You can go backwards. You can go forwards. Like to have that one. That's always nice. And then you click it one more time. And now you can change the level. So you have several different customizations within it. And you just keep clicking it to get it to go back and forth. And it's nice to have, and you just click it, going through back and forth from the brightness, magnification, and once again, changing the level. Thank y'all for watching. It's pretty cool to have this technology in here, and trippy. Now, if you get car sick, you can turn it off, but thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all on the next one.